Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jane. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I decided to do like another smoky eye, but with different other colors. And for the palette we're going to be using today is the Morphe Dare to Create palette 39A. We're going to go in with that palette, and if you want to know what kind of look I get, continue on watching. Alright, you guys, so I already did my eyebrows, of course off camera, and I primed my eyes and based them just to, you know, make this video a little faster. So this is the palette we'll be going in with. It's the Dare to Create 39A palette, and this is how it looks like on the inside. Yes, it looks like I haven't used it, but I haven't used it honestly in a while, so we're gonna go back in with this palette and create a smoky eye. So what first I'm gonna do is grab some tape and line it up. Oh, that one didn't come out right. We're gonna line it up on the eye just to see, just to have like a little clean, straight shadow. And of course I'm gonna do the other eye off camera again, just to make this video a little more short. So the colors I'll be using today is probably like these on the corner, little brown color with a little brown shimmer shade that I really like. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. So it's practically gonna be like a brown smoky eye. So yeah, let's continue. I'm grabbing the mirror. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a fluffy brush. First colors we'll be going in with is this color right here. It's like a nude color. We're gonna put that and top that as a transition color. And we're going to blend this out with a Morphe E23 brush. Alright, next color we're going in with is a more darker shade. We're going to go ahead and go in with a different brush. And we're going to go in with the Morphe M576. And go in with this shade right here, and we're gonna go ahead and put some of that on the outer V and making our way up to the crease of the eye, middle crease of the eye. Alright, now from there we're going to go ahead and do a little small cut crease right there, just in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and get something to set that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an eyeliner, a quick liner on there. Alright you guys, so this is the eye look, a little brown smoky eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I already finished my other eye, popped on some lashes off camera. So now we're going to continue with the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my nose ring off and do this. Alright. So first things first we're gonna do is go in with the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. This is a skin protection oil. Alright, next we're going to go in with the Glam Glow. This is a moisturizer I really like a lot. You can put this again before or after foundation, but of course I like to put it before foundation. And as you can see, it does give you that glow. Next we're going to go in with primer. I'm going in with the MAC Prep Plus Prime Skin Bare. No, not Bare. Sorry. This is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Skin Base. I'm going with that. Alright, next we're going to go in with foundation, and foundation we're going to be using today is the MAC foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I am in the color NC37. I gotta buy some more, actually. I'm running out. Oops. Alright, so we're going to do something different. Today we're going to use this little sponge. It's like a plastic, well, I don't even know what you would call these, but this is how it looks like. And we're going to use that to rub all over the foundation where we need it. Alright, now I'm just going to go ahead and use a brush. And go ahead and get another sponge to set that in place. Alright, so for concealer, we'll be going in. We'll be going in with the Morphe Concealer, and I am in the shade Oat. And going back in with that sponge and setting everything. So I'm going to go to set that. We're going to go in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And to contour, we're going to go in with the LA Pro Conceal. Okay, and we're gonna go in for bronzer. And for bronzer, we're gonna go in with the Tarte Park Ave Princess. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and dust all of this off. Go back in with that bronzer. Alright, and for blush, I'll be going in with the James Charles palette. I'm going to go in with this light pink color. Alright, next, highlight. And highlight we'll be using today's colors. We're going to go in for highlight. We're going to go in with the e.l.f. Jelly highlighter. And this is how it looks like. Alright, that should be good enough. Actually, I'm going to put some on the inner corner of the eye. Alright. Now we're going to go back into that palette and go ahead and get some of that under eye. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get some mascara and get the under eyes. For lips, let's see, I think we're gonna go in with like a red color, and we're gonna go in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick, and this is in the color Love Life. Alright, and for setting spray, we're going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime. And yes, I got to get a new bottle because look, I have nada. I'm running out. So yeah, we're going to use this for setting spray. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love the makeup, and if you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments, and once again, if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.